Hey Mike, this is Tyler with Leads by Lord I wanted to make this video for you and give you a couple things that you could implement right away to start outranking your competitors online and bringing in some more customers for your business. So the first thing I noticed when I pulled up your site, First Class Home Renovations, is that it wasn't secure. So in the top left corner where you see your URL, there's a little not secure or secure, like a little lock logo. Showing people that, when they type in your website or if they find your website somehow, that it's secure or not. And some web browsers won't let people get into a non-secure website. So getting an SSL certificate will definitely help you, reach out to anyone and everyone. And it shows people that you have a secure site. So that's really the first thing. But the next thing I want to talk about is content. And with Google, content is king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page. And then as far as your service pages, you want to put anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. And what that will allow you to do is rank for specific keywords related to your business and the services that you offer. So as I scroll down your site here, and it looks great, by the way, it's got a lot of great information, some animation here, some great pictures, but there's not a lot of content, right? So we definitely want to add in content, especially about your services, because that's obviously how you make your money. So we don't want to miss out on opportunities to rank for those specific keywords. And we'll get into that in a little bit. But I pulled up a report of your website in a tool I utilize called Ahrefs. And it just shows some rankings of your site, such as the overall rank, the backlink information, your keywords that you're ranking for, and then the traffic that you're bringing in. So it doesn't look like there's a whole ton of data. So I pulled up a couple competitors of yours just to show you what they have going on, what's working for them, and how you can implement the same things that they are doing in order to outrank them. So I typed in bathroom remodeling Philadelphia, and you'll see that that was a pretty good keyword, a buyer intent keyword that you could focus on. It's got a lot of search volume, and this was one of the first results. So we have Wheeler's Kitchen and Bath Design Center. All right, and as we scroll down their page here, because this isn't just their home page, this is their kitchen and bath remodeling Philadelphia, PA page. All right, we see here they've got a good bit of content, the little call out section to get started or contact us, and some more content down here. Okay, so let's take a look at their report. We can see here their rank, again, their backlink information, and they're currently ranking for 61 keywords. So let's take a look at what's working for them so you can utilize that for your site. And we see here bathroom remodeling Philadelphia, PA brings in 100 searches a month. All right, bathroom contractors Philadelphia, 20 searches. Bathroom remodeling Philadelphia, 150 searches. There's definitely some bathroom remodeling and even kitchen remodeling keywords here that you would want to utilize for your site. And not only could you create just one page, okay, but you could create additional pages for each of your services, right? So if you were to focus on bathrooms, kitchens, etc., you could do a page for each one and rank for each individual keyword there for each page. Okay, so going back into these keywords, there's a lot of opportunity here. And again, you can see the volume down this side, the traffic that they're bringing in currently, and then the rank that they're in. Okay, so we can obviously see what's working for them and what you could utilize for your site. And then typing in kitchen remodeling, just to give you a different idea here, I found Ferrarini Remodeling on the first page of Google. Okay, here's their complete site. As we scroll down here, they've got some good information, some publications, obviously the projects they've done, some videos, but definitely not that 1,000 to 2,000 words of content that we talked about. Okay, so it's another opportunity for you to create some great content and outrank not only the last competitor we saw, but this competitor as well for different keywords such as bathroom and kitchen remodeling in Philadelphia. All right, so let's take a look at their report. We can see here that they're ranking for actually 307 keywords, so there should be a lot of opportunity here. All right, and we can see kitchen remodeling Philadelphia, that's bringing in 150 searches. Kitchen remodelers Philadelphia, another 150. Okay, kitchen designers Philadelphia, 90, and so on and so forth. So you can see there's a lot of volume for bathrooms and kitchens, all right, and even basements, home remodeling, all of that. There's definitely volume, especially in the Philadelphia area. All right, now going back to your report, I wanted to touch upon backlinks. Okay, that's going to be the second thing we'll talk about. And obviously you don't have a lot of information here, nothing's showing up. So again, we'll go into your competitors here. And a backlink is really just a vote of confidence. All right, it's a link from one website to another, showing people when they click the link that you have the relevant content that they're looking for, all right, and that you're trustworthy. So the DR and the UR here for the backlink information is the power and the trust of those backlinks, okay, because not all backlinks are created equal. So you'd want higher quality backlinks, obviously, than your competitors. Now, this competitor only has two sites pointing back to their site, giving them 2 backlinks. Okay, so it's definitely an opportunity not only on the content side that we talked about, but the backlink portion that you could utilize to outrank them. All right, and then going into the kitchen remodeling competitor, Ferrarini & Co., we can see here that their power and their trust are pretty decent, right? They're very balanced here at 37 and 37. They have 178 sites pointing back to theirs, giving them almost 2,000 backlinks. So we would definitely want to focus in on, what's working for them. Again, we will look at what's working in the keyword section. We can take a look at what's working for the backlinks and utilize what's working for them, for you, in order to outrank them. All right. So we talked about content and backlinks, but the last thing I want to touch upon are citations. And a citation is your name, your address, and your phone number. And we list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, things like that, in order to help your ranking in the Google Map Pack section. And I know you'll notice that when I show you in a second, but it all has to do with your Google listing. So this is like a mini website. Not only can you rank your website on the first page of Google, but you can rank this Google listing as well. So you want to utilize this as much as possible. You want to add in pictures, and not only just add the pictures, but save them correctly with those buyer intent keywords. So again, not only is your website going to pop up when people are typing in those keywords, but your listing can as well. And then you want your address, your phone number, your hours, all of that. And then you want a great description as well, right? We don't want to miss out on an opportunity to add in some great content, put in some keywords, and again, show up for those buyer intent keywords specifically. So when we type in kitchen remodeling Philadelphia, for example, okay, we'd want to show up in this map pack section, right? People trust Google to send them to the top results. Not many people are hitting the view all, right? So we want to end up here, and adding in those citations and optimizing that Google listing is going to help you get here. And then down here we have the organic section where you see I found Ferrarini Remodeling. You see Yelp and Home Advisor, all right? People gravitate towards this section a lot as well, and that's where the content and those backlinks come into play. That's what's going to get you here in the organic section. So utilize those 3 tips, content, backlinks, and citations, to get yourself listed on the first page of Google. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 267-885-3473. All right, here's my business website, leadsbylordeye.com. Again, my name's Tyler. I look forward to talking with you a little bit more, learning more about your business, and maybe how we can help each other out. All right, I'll talk to you soon.